Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at XRP. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Before we get into the charts, real quick, I do want to give a shout out to my Patreon guys. Feel free to check it out. It's going to be linked down below in the description. It's a great way to support the channel, support me, and help me, continue producing great technical analysis and crypto content for you guys. And you can see that we do have different benefits for different tiers. Obviously, there are some cheaper ones and more expensive ones, but you do have everything from low cap gem calls, patron shoutouts, early access, exclusive videos, personal technical analysis, and video requests. All that great stuff is in here. So yeah, think about it as buying a cup of coffee, but instead of the coffee, you get a lot of useful information that will potentially help you make a lot of money. Now, with that being said, with this airdrop for the solo tokens, the holders of the XRP token are going to receive the airdrop as well. Thus, the token has started pumping. As you can see, we're having these green candles, and it's looking actually really, really healthy. So this is the daily chart, and if I draw a trend line like this over here, you can see that this was a resistance trend line that we have held for a very, very long time, and we just broke through it. And what I think potentially can happen is after the screenshot on December 24th, which is tomorrow, you potentially are going to come back down and back test this trend line as support. That is something that I think can happen. Or we can land on the 0.382, hold this level as support, and potentially just have a wick off of this white trend line. So make sure you draw this trend line on your chart. It can potentially be crucial to your next buy order. Now, this 0.382 level on the Fib retracement is sitting at 85.35 cents. So 85.35 or 0.8535. Also, look for the 20 EMA as support. You can land on that. That can be your safe buy order, in my opinion. But what is happening right now is you're hitting your head and running into the 0.5, which is sitting exactly at $1, right? And you had a wick above that area as well. But what essentially is going to start happening is we're going to start getting pushed up by the EMAs. We get squeezed up by the 0.5 and we break out, right? But with this pullback tomorrow, this can all be invalidated and we just, continue going down or consolidate on the 0.382 level, which would be great if you're looking to dollar cost average into XRP. But if you bought the XRP token specifically for the airdrop and you see the XRP token plummet after the screenshot, I wouldn't be too worried, right? Don't sell at a loss, just dollar cost average. That's the best advice that I can give, which is not a financial advice by any means. So I personally did buy a bunch of XRP over here. And if I see the token plummet to the 0.32, I'm not going to be selling. I'm going to be waiting for the 786 to take some profits, or maybe the full retracement to the first fib level of this fib retracement. Now, what is this fib retracement? So this is from the swing high over here, April 14th, to the swing low, July 10th. Now, what the fib retracement does is it basically shows you support and resistance levels based on mathematical formulas by Leonardo Fibonacci, basically. So we do have the golden ratio. Obviously, this is the 0.618 over here, sitting at $1.17.5. So this is a level that we potentially can run into today even, and from there we start plummeting back down, and landing on a key support area or level would be crucial to hold the uptrend, right, for XRP. But yeah, and we haven't really backtested the 0.382 after we broke through it. So potentially backtest over here, potential backtest of the white trend line, and off we go with the markets into 2022. Now, if I bring out the relative strength index over here, you can see that we're actually flying over here, and you can potentially land on the 45 over here, 0.93 on the RSI, because I didn't pull that support level out of my ass. Basically, this is the support line that we've held multiple times, has both support and resistance actually. So you can see that there is importance to this level. As you can see, I'm just highlighting all the areas that have touched this level before. So this can be a very nice level to land back on, dollar cost average at this level, and then off we go. Potentially we can even, plummet lower. Obviously that can happen, but this still would be a nice area that can potentially hold you as support. And in technical analysis, nothing is certain, that's for sure. So yeah, and on the daily chart, we do have this Fib retracement. If I zoom out and look at the 1.618 over here, so the 1.618 is your technical target after you break the first, you break the swing high over here at $1.97. That was our swing high in April. And from where we are right now to the 1.618, which is at $4.54, okay, that is roughly 366%, which is not bad, right? I am going to have some XRP to sell at this level, right? And after that, you do have $7.6, $11, $13. Depends on how well the lawsuit goes with the SEC. From what I know, Ripple is kicking SEC's ass, so everything's looking good in terms of the lawsuit, and I think it's coming to an end early 2022, so that should set the markets on fire after Ripple's victory. Also, what you do want to look for a confirmation of the uptrend is a bullish cross on the daily chart. So basically this bullish cross where the 20 EMA crosses above the 55 EMA, that should be a very important indicator for you that we're flipping bullish, because historically when you look at these bullish crosses, after you get them, look at the appreciation you have right here. Bullish cross, look at the appreciation. So if we get a bullish cross between the 20 and the 55 EMA, that can be very, very good, and that would be your pretty much confirmation. But like I said, with this with this airdrop on the 24th, we can potentially see a little sell-off on XRP because people are going to sell it because they don't need to hold it to receive the airdrop, right? So, that's my only concern, but overall, we're doing pretty bullish right now. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have anything to add to the charts, if I missed out on anything, let me know down below in the comment section. Follow me on Twitter, check out the Telegram chat, the Discord server, and we do have a Patreon as well. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.